Hello mga idol, kamusta? Ito nga pala ulit ang inyong Sir Jobs Mentor. Final committee interview, tip number 10. How to answer the questions in the final committee interview. If the question is in English, you answer in English. If the question is in Tagalog, you answer in Tagalog. Tandaan natin mga idol, tayo ay college graduate. So dapat marunong tayo mag-English. Pero kung talagang hindi mo na kaya, mag-request permission ka sa panel. Request permission, sir ma'am, to speak in Tagalog, to express myself. Kung pumayag naman sila, then go, speak in Tagalog na. Kapag sumagot ka din sa tanong mga idol, direct to the point na, huwag ka nang magpaligoy-ligoy. Yun lamang mga idol, muli ito ang inyong Sir Jobs Mentor na nagsasabi ng believe in yourself, trust God's timing.